Welcome to the beautiful Charlotte area. I want to take a moment. I want to go over your inspection report, so stay with me. Okay, so all set. Let's take a look at your report. This is a typical report here. This is where your name and address information would be. Upper right-hand corner is the legend. Each one of these initials pertain to something. A is consistent with the age of the chimney. B, see comments below. C, repairs needed. D, need further evaluation, or E, not applicable. Placed into the boxes next to the parts of the chimney that can be easily identified in this diagram. And then, of course, we would put your comments right here below. All right, let's play the intro and get right into your personal report. So stay with me. It was great to see you out at the house today. What a beautiful house, what a great neighborhood as well. Let's start out by looking at the chimney itself. So this is a picture of the back side of the chimney, and the crown up here has been repoured, and that's good. So it covered the cracks that were probably in the original crown. Not unusual for our chimney this age to develop those cracks, but now they're all sealed up. And that should keep that white powdery stuff, the stains in the firebox from developing more, because the water is no longer getting in there. And also this chimney cap appears to have been installed at the same time. So between both of those, that should keep the water out. And we always like to see the chimney caps, even though they're not code required, because they have a screen around them to keep the birds and the squirrels out. This right here is called cricket flashing. It's very good as the water runs down the roof, hits the cricket, and runs around the chimney instead of running back up underneath the shingles. So we like to see that. Wood burning fireplace right at the floor. If you reach all the way in the back, there's an ash dump. The ash dumps are for your convenience. They lead into a concrete vault underneath the fireplace where you can push hot ashes if you need to. And then once every year or so, you go around the backside, open up the little cast iron door, and you can shovel the ashes out and put them in your garden, which is a great place to put those. These are those water stains. These will disappear when you start using the fireplace, and they shouldn't reappear now that the crown has been repoured and the cap is on there. We look up to the right. We see great big openings here that need to be filled with refractory cement. I've given you a price on doing that. Smoke chamber, flue system. You folks have any questions for me at all, give me a call, 704-526-6348. Email me at chris@affordablesuite.com. Let's run the credits, shall we?